everyone, in this video we are going to look into semi-formal letter which appears in the IELTS general writing section. Now let us look into what is a semi-formal letter. A semi-formal letter is a type of a written communication that falls between the spectrum of formal and informal letters. It is used in situations where a completely formal letter might seem overly stiff or unnecessary, but a completely informal letter would be too casual. Semi-formal letters are typically used in professional or business settings and maintain a respectful and polite tone while allowing for more personal touch. Now here's an example of a semi-formal letter question. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. You live in rented accommodation which was recently damaged due to the bad weather. Write a letter to the landlord. In your letter, explain what caused the damage, why you need him or her to fix the problem right away, and what needs to be done to fix it. Now let us look into an example solution for a semi-formal letter. So let's start. Dear Mr. Albert, I am Rebecca Paula, a tenant at your Parkview residence, writing to let you know that last night's storm broke a couple of windows at my apartment and those need to be fixed immediately. In the second paragraph, you can start by saying that I reside in flat 4B2 on the 8th floor with my family for the last 1.5 years. The relentless storm and a heavy downpour last night damaged many dwellings in our area, and it is unfortunate that a couple of windows in my apartment have been shattered. The electricity line is disrupting since then, and the continuous chill wind is freely flowing in my apartment. This has become unbearable, especially for my mother-in-law and the 6-year-old daughter. In the final paragraph, you can sum up by saying, I want you to send someone to inspect how bad the broken windows are and how challenging it is to stay inside the flat. Please replace the windows as quickly as possible. You can contact a local vendor who provides such repair work. I will assist you in whichever way possible. And you can close by saying yours sincerely, Rebecca Paula. This sums up the semi-formal letter which appears in the IELTS general writing section. I hope you found this content helpful. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In order to receive more updates on this information, please look up to the videos. Thank you so much.